Welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to efficiently wash your bike at home. First of all, just a few stuff you need. You want water source, hose pipe, your bucket of soapy water, some bike specific brushes, and then a nice additive if you have is a bike stand, just to make it a little bit easier. First of all, you would start by just hosing off the bike. So after hosing off the bike, the most important first thing we want to do is try and clean the drivetrain as much as possible using a nice degreaser, getting the whole drivetrain nice and full of degreaser. Make sure we get the chain clean. Okay, so we're just brushing in the degreaser, making sure we get the chain nice and clean, concentrating on the pulley wheels and the whole drivetrain. Okay, so after the chain is nice and clean, we're going to remove the back wheel and make sure we get the cassette nice and clean. So it's just easier to remove the back wheel to get the cassette all clean. So then we can make sure we get the degreaser in the cassette. Get it nice and full of degreaser. Then we take a brush and make sure we just agitate all of the degreaser to do its work. Okay, so when the cassette is nice and clean, while the back wheel is off, we want to remember to wash the rims, as a lot of the chain loop gets on the rim, all the road gunk. So we want to clean this nice and quickly before we put it back on later. Making sure we get in between the spokes, get everything nice and clean. Then we're gonna rinse off the back wheel and let it sit aside to dry up while we wash the bike. Now we move to washing the frame, getting soapy detergent everywhere on our frame, making sure we get all of the areas, especially while back wheel is off, making sure we get all of these hard to reach areas. Just cleaning the whole frame. So when you're done washing everything, time to take the hose, just rinse everything off. Just don't put too much pressure on your hose, you don't want to damage any bearings. Just quickly hosing everything off, making sure all the soap and detergent is off. Then before you're done, the most important part, take a soft cloth and dry the bike. And then remember, before you're done, you want to loop the chain. Thank you for watching today's video. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know down in the comments how you clean your bike.